Military heroes, labor opponent, economics, financial genius, political philosopher. So, guys, may tour pa. Hamilton Grange.
It's not clear in the photo.
Yeah.
But look at it.
Batang-bata pa si Hamilton nun, guys. And ayan guys, andito na tayo sa Uptown New York kung saan makikita ang mansion ni Hamilton. So ayan guys, konting trivia lang, lumipat sila Hamilton dito sa Uptown New York. Yun nga, nung namatay yung anak niya. And yeah, silang dalawa ng asawa niya, si Eliza Hamilton. So ayun, napakaganda nung Uptown New York guys. Medyo away sa city pero tingnan mo yung mga bahay oh. Ayan, tapos may park din doon. So ito, tag siya as National Historic Landmark. So mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. So update na lang later. Ayan guys oh, ang ganda. Maglakad-lakad sa Uptown din eh, no? Iba no? Ito yung mga gusto mong structure ni Claire oh. Tingnan mo oh. Yan yung mga apartment dyan. Pero tignan mo guys, ang ganda. City life. May basketball court dyan. Siyempre sikat ang New York na gusto talaga nila ang basketball. Lumipat nga dito sila Hamilton dahil yun nga, namatay yung anak nilang si Philip. Pero sa musical play in-establish din yung yung scandal ni Hamilton. So yeah, yun yung pinaka, sabi nga nila, first American major sex scandal ng Amerika, which is si Hamilton saka si Maria Reynolds. So yun talagang nagsira sa reputasyon ni Hamilton. And ang story doon is yung kung paano yung pagpapatawad ni di ba? Ni Eliza kay Hamilton. And kung paano talaga nagsisi si Hamilton, 'di ba? After nung nagkabalikan sila, yun na talagang diyan sila nagstay. And ayan, diyan sila nagstay. And talagang silang dalawa lang, no? Tapos naglalakad-lakad yan sila dito. And, kasi para silang nagluluksa nung pagkamatay nga ni Philip. So, it makes their relationship stronger, 'di ba? So ayan guys, ito na yung Hamilton Grange. Ayan yung bahay niya, built 1802. Ayan, and ito siya. Beautiful.
There are moments that the words don't reach. There is suffering too terrible to name. You hold your child as tight as you can and push away the unimaginable. The moments when you're in so deep, it feels easier to just swim down. And so they move uptown and learn to live with the unimaginable. I spend hours in the garden. I walk alone to the store, and it's quiet uptown. I never liked the quiet before. I take the children to church on Sunday, a sign of the cross at the door, and I pray. That never used to happen before. thinking to himself, have pity, you would like it uptown. It's quiet uptown. He is working through the unimaginable.
Guys, dun sa musical or dun sa life talaga ni Hamilton, sa autobiography niya, nung lumipat sila dito ni Elisha, parang nagtanim sila ng garden, nag-create sila ng garden. And yung garden is yun yung parang pinaka-paborito nilang dalawang gawin or pastime sa ginagawa nila kada hapon. And then nag-walk around dito sa uptown, like around here. Ayan. And ayun, siguro ni-recreate lang nila tong garden, pero to specify na yung hilig ni Hamilton sa ni Elisha sa garden, kasi isa yun sa nagbigay sa kanila ng makalimutan or makapag-move on para sa anak nila. Ayan. So yan, pasok tayo. Let's go. So guys, Hamilton Grange National Memorial. So ayan, papasok na tayo sa gate, guys. So ito yung house.
See, he built it, I said.
Ah, he built it? Yeah, saan yung una dito? Ito yung A, yung unang-una. Tapos yung B. Ayan, sa tabi siya. Trinity Church ba yan? Hindi, na St. Luke's Church.
Yeah.
Tapos ito yung ni-remodel. So, ayan. So, you can see Hamilton.
So, ano talaga,
Ayan.
hindi talaga ito yung location ng bahay ni Hamilton. They move it to this location.
Yeah. Kasi marami ng building dun eh. Ito natatabunan na. So, ito, nilagyan nila ng parang pataas dito para at least ma-safe cape nila, no? No? Ayan. So, update na lang, guys. Ito na. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys, kanina, oh. Yung Hamilton's Eden. So, ito yung mga tanim nilang mag-asawa na nakatulong sa kanila para mag-move on, di ba? Sa pagkamatay ng anak nila. So, marami yan silang tanim. So, parang na-recreate nila yan dito, guys. Ito yung parang hilig nila. Ayan. Ayan, guys, ito yung handwriting ni Hamilton. So ito yung parang ginawa niyang kung paano niya gawin yung garden.
Ito yung request niya dun sa itsura ng
garden. Ayan.
Harapan.
Oo.
Ang galing, see, the gardener, after making this out, making a beginning by way of sample, will apply himself to planting of raspberries in the orchard.
Wow. Ayan.
If it can be done in time, I should be glad if space could be prepared in the center of the flower garden for planting a few tulips.
Yes.
Lilies, hyacinths, and they cannot read it. The space should be a circle of which the diameter is 18 feet. There should be 9 of each sort of flowers, but the gardener will do well to consult to the season.
So guys, up close and personal. Ayan yung bahay ni Hamilton. Let's go. Mahilig talaga sa garden yan eh. Ayan, oh. So, tapos may kita mo, guys, overlooking yung uptown. Ang ganda. So guys, nakapunta na kami sa mga historical landmark. At the same time, ang ganda ng mga view na nakikita namin, no. Ayan. Ayan. So, tatry natin pasukin.
National historic site siya. May visitor center.
Oh, mga kapasok. Claire, anong to? Bakit may ganito sila, Hamilton? Sipin mo ba eh? Papasok ka na ba ni Hamilton? Gusto mo ng souvenir?
Oh my God.
Ganda. Can I take video? Ayan. It's quiet uptown. Hi. So, guys, may tour pa. Hamilton Grange.
Yeah, the tour's gonna meet here. While you're waiting, right through there, have some exhibits and a video you can check out.
Okay. Thank you.
My daughter is a very great fan of
Hamilton. Yeah. So, yan, guys. So, military hero, slavery opponent, economic, financial genius, political philosopher, lawyer, founder of the New York Bank of Journalists. Ayan, si Hamilton. Nasa loob na kami, guys. Meron kami nakuhang tour. Ang swerte, no? Kasi 3:30. And, ay, ito yun. Yung duel na sinasabi namin kanina. Dun sa Weehawken. Ayan. So, tinaas ni Hamilton yung niya, gun niya. And then si Aaron Burr. Binaril niya talaga. And then, meron sila ditong parang video. Ayan.
See, bittersweet years. Well guys, sobrang naging fan na rin ako ni Hamilton dahil kay Claire, no? Pero siya talaga, binabasa niya yung book ng Hamilton. So, ayan, makikita niya to, right? Mr. Madison, cooperating with Mr. Jefferson, is at the head of a faction decidedly hostile to me and my administration. So, ayan. Medyo hindi sila in good terms ng ni Thomas Jefferson and ni James Madison. And si Alexander Hamilton, siya yung nagtayo ng First Bank of New York. So, meron siyang dito. May note dito. How can that be good? Borrowing money can help a new business or a new nation get started. That can build trust if people borrow money and pay it back on time with interest. See? So, be a responsible debt borrower, no? And then, Secretary Hamilton. So, si Hamilton is the first Secretary of Treasury. So, yan. Yan yung niya. Siya yung inelect ni George Washington, first president of the United States. See, there you go. The National Bank. Siya yung nag-start nung, guys, siya yung nag-envision ng new financial system ng America. There you go. These are all. And Claire is trying to be a ranger of Hamilton. Ayan si Alexander Hamilton, guys. Ayan. Look at that. Harlem then and now. Oh, ito yung dating itsura ng bahay na to, guys.
River to river, but it's a huge middle chunk of this area. And at this time, you really wouldn't have been calling it uptown. Uptown wasn't really a term. In fact, they would have been referring to it as...
Yan guys, kung maririnig niyo yung tapakan, sobrang luma, 200 years old house. Ayan o, ganda. Oh my God. Wow.
Well, it did. Well, the exact
Ate, tayo ka doon, picture kita.
The carpeting was produced in Williamsburg, but I don't have a maker's name. But it's a modern equivalent to the pattern that's from that time.
And ayan guys, tapos na kami sa Hamilton Grange. And masaya si Claire dahil may nakita siyang ibang picture ni Hamilton. Anong picture yun, be?
Him when he was like when he was 19 and when he was in the Revolutionary War.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yan, kinilig siya dahil binata pa si Hamilton noon. Ayan, meron? Pakita mo.
It's not clear in the photo.
Yeah.
But look at him.
Batang-bata pa si Hamilton noon, guys, no? So ayan, punta na kami sa Gracie Mansion kung saan nag-meeting si Jefferson and si James Madison na about something, and wala si Aaron Burr. Kumbaga sa musical counterpart niya, yun yung tinatawag nilang The Room Where It Happens, The Room Where It Happens. Yun yung kanta doon. Pero baka i-pass by lang namin kasi natagalan kami dito sa Gracie Mansion dahil Gracie Mansion. Natagalan kami dito sa Hamilton Grange dahil nagkaroon kami ng tour, which is masaya and enjoy. And ayun, update na lang siguro later, guys. See ya!